Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed plotting points in Cartesian plane. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we will discuss line graph and linear graph. Let's move on to the topic. Move on to exercise questions. Fifth problem from exercise 17.4. Option A, plot the points A33, B03 and C -33 on a Cartesian plane. Option B, which point is or are in the second quadrant. Option C, join OA and OC. Then measure angle AOB and angle BOC. Option D, what's the relationship between the line segments OA and OC? First, plot the points, these points on a Cartesian plane. So, first of all, draw x-axis and y-axis. This horizontal axis is x-axis. So, x dash, this is vertical line, so y-axis, y dash, horizontal line, vertical line, x dash, y dash. Its meeting point is origin. Mark the points 1, 2, this 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3 and -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3 and -4. So first A33. 33 means x value is 3 and y value is 3. So here 3, this is 3. So meeting point. This is a meeting point 3, 3. A 3, 3. Next B 0, 3. B 0, 3. So x value is 0 and y value is 3. X value is 0 means it lies in y axis. So x is 0 and y is 3. So this is B 0, 3. The next point C -3, 3. This is -3, x value is -3 and y value is 3. So this is -3, this is 3, it's the meeting point. So this is C -3, 3. Then option B, which point is in the second quadrant? So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. In the second quadrant, -3 and -3, 3 is there. So the point -3, 3. The answer is -3, 3. C of -3, 3. Then option C, join OA and OC. Using ruler, OA, then OC. Then measure angle AOB and angle BOC. So, angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 45 degree and angle BOC is equal to 45 degree because AOC is equal to 90 degree. What is the relationship between the line segments OA and OC? OA and OC. Here angle AOC is equal to 90 degree AOC is equal to 90 degree. So OA is perpendicular to OC. OA is perpendicular to OC and OA is equal to OC because OA and OC are symmetrical about the y-axis. OA and OC are symmetrical about the y-axis. OA is equal to OC. Then question number 7. Plot the points A 7 2, B minus 4 minus 5 and C 4 0. Show that they lie on a straight line. The points A 7 2, B minus 4 minus 5 and C 4 0. So plot these points on a Cartesian plane. First of all, have to draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, x dash, and this is y-axis, y dash. This is origin 0. Mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Plot the point, first point was A 7, 2. So in x value 7, y value 2. So in x-axis 7 and y-axis 2. So it's a meeting point 7, 2. So A 7, 2. Next, plot the point minus 4, minus 5. So in the x value is minus 4 and y value is minus 5. It's x-axis. So x value minus 4, then y coordinate is minus 5. So below here this is minus 5. So x value is minus 4 and y value is minus 5. This is a meeting point. So this is B of minus 4, minus 5. Next, plot the next coordinate C of 4, 0. X value is 4 and the y value is 0. If the y value is 0 means that point lie in the x-axis. So 4, 0. X value is 4 and the y value is 0. So this is C of 4, 0. We have to show that these points lie on a straight line. So join these points. This is A, this is C and this is B. So the points A 7 2, B minus 4 minus 5 and C 4 0 lie on a straight line. Next, question number 8. Draw the line passing through A 4 2 and B 4 minus 2. Write the coordinates of the point where AB intersects the x-axis. So first of all, you mark A 4 2 and B 4 minus 2 in the Cartesian plane. So first of all, draw x-axis and the y-axis. x, x dash, x axis, this is y, y dash, this is origin, this meeting point. Mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, here -1, -2, -3, -4, here 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. First plot A of 4, 2. So the 4, 2, the x value is 4 and the y value is 2. So x value is 4 and the y value is 2. So this is 4, this is 2. So meeting point A of 4, 2. Then next point B of 4, -2. So x value is 4 and the y value is -2. So this is x value 4, y value -2. 4 -2. So meeting point. So B of 4, -2. Join. Then write the coordinates of the point where AB intersects the x-axis. This is the line AB. We have to write the coordinate of the point that line AB intersects the x-axis. So this is the meeting point. The line AB intersects the x-axis. So this point is, here x value is 4 and the y value is 0. In the x-axis, y value is 0. So meeting point is 4, 0. So the answer is 4, 0. Next, question number 11. The line graph shows the changes in the body temperature, degrees Celsius, of a patient from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight on a certain day. The line graph is given. In the x-axis, time, and the y-axis, temperature. So time and temperature are shown in the given line graph. Option A, what was the highest body temperature of the patient? When did the patient have it? So in this graph, the highest point marked is this one. So in this graph, the highest point marked is this one. So this must be the highest temperature. So 39 degree Celsius. So the answer is 39 degree Celsius. Then when did the patient have it? So temperature. So the corresponding time is 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Then option B, find the number of readings with temperatures above 37 degree Celsius. So this is 37. So this is 37 degree Celsius. So above 37 degree means these three readings. 1, 2, 3. So the number of readings with the temperatures above 37 degree Celsius is 3. Next, question number 12. The following table shows the closing prices of a stock in a week. The data is given. The day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The closing price Monday 23, Tuesday 21.50, Wednesday 22, Thursday 20.50 and Friday 19.50. Option A, draw a line graph to represent the data. So you have to draw a line graph to represent these data. And option B, describe the trend in the price of the stock. So first you have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis. X-axis. x, x dash, and y, y dash. In the x-axis, mark days, and the y-axis, closing price. Day, this is origin. X-axis, mark the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In the y-axis, mark the closing price. Here 23, 21.50, 22, 20.50 and 19.50. So we start from 19 on y-axis. Keep a pen here. Keep a pen here. It shows the other numbers below 19 are included here. So start with 19. This is 19. This is 19.50. This is 20. This is 20.50. 21. 21.50. 22. 22.50. Then 23 up to 23. Then mark Monday 23. In Monday next axis Monday 23. So this point. Then Tuesday 21.50. Tuesday 21.50. Then Wednesday 22. In Wednesday 22. Then Thursday 20.50. Thursday 20.50. Then Friday 19.50. Friday 19.50. Then join. A line graph consists of bits of line segments joined consecutively. So this is a starting point. The next point is this one. So how to join using ruler. Join the points using ruler. Then the next one, this point. Then again Thursday. Then Friday. So this is a line graph. Option B, describe the trend in the price of the stock. In this graph, Monday to Tuesday, the line is going down. That means the value is decreasing. Tuesday to Wednesday, the line is going up. That means the value is increasing. From Wednesday to Friday, the lines are going down. That means the value is decreasing. So, the slight increase in the price between Tuesday and Wednesday. So, the answer is slight increase in price between Tuesday and Wednesday. Today we have discussed drawing line graph and linear graph. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note. Thank you. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.